Hello everybody, welcome back to the workshop. So in this video I want to take and show you guys some welding clamps that I use all the time in the shop, and these are handy as all get out. This is a Husky brand clamp. This is not a sponsored video, let me just say that right now, but there is a link in the description that if you go purchase through it, through an Amazon affiliate link, I get a small commission if you buy through that link at no additional cost to you. It's a great way of supporting the channel. But no one's paying me to say any of this. These are just something that I found to be super handy, although not the most robust clamp in the world, as just a standard C clamp would be a lot more robust than what you're seeing right here. But this has a really great advantage when we're taking and doing welding. So this here is a 6-inch clamp, that they call it. Here's a 4-inch clamp by Husky. And I'm going to show you how this works really quick. So the thing that I like about these, I've been doing quite a bit of fabrication work, doing trying to do fireplace frames here recently. Been having a lot of call for those, so it's been a lot of fabrication work. One of the nice things here is this quick release. So we got a quick release here that allows this to slide back and forth very quickly, and there's not all this. If you didn't have that, you'd have to do all this turning, like I'm sure you all have seen before in the past, where you just like turn, 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 turn. And if you're trying to clamp something to, say, a block that's 4 inches thick, and you're trying to clamp a piece that you're going to weld, now it's going to take you an extreme amount of time sitting here fidgeting for that first setup, right? And then, don't use this clamp again for anything else, because if you do, now the setup is, then you're going to have to reset the thing back up, So if I'm just trying to clamp that, now I got to tighten it up, and there you go, right? So that's kind of roughly how long it would take that way. But with something like a quick clamp like this, you just slide your little slider, pull it open, put your piece in order, slip it down onto the piece, and boom, just a few seconds, and you're tightened up enough that you can go ahead and stick this together. Again, very, very handy clamp. I was just thinking I should share that with you guys. I haven't really mentioned a whole lot about my welding kit or any of the gear that I use too much, so I just figured I'd show this to you all and say, if you guys go around to a big box store, I got this at Home Depot, I believe it was. Again, not a sponsor of the channel. I got these at Home Depot, and they have been absolutely great. It's kind of 50-50 at big box stores, whether you're going to have good quality or not. And so far, I can vouch for these. I've had these in my shop now for about, almost 2 years now. So they've held up really well. Again, I'll put a link down in the description down below where you can go check those out. That helps take and support the channel. So without further ado, I'm going to let you back to your day. Thank you all so much for watching this video. Hit that thumbs up if you liked it, and consider subscribing for more content as we produce 7 videos a week. Anyways, that's it. God bless you. We'll catch you on the next one.